What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing new video on my channel, guys. Today is a very special day because once again, guys, we are seeing something very interesting, and this is a thing that you can't ignore. So guys, hopefully you're enjoying these quick updates. I took a rest real quickly, but right now I am back again. Of course, guys, first of all, let me talk about the main subject, and it will be the price action of 88 Cardano. And guys, besides that, of course, I will be quickly talk about Bitcoin before I go exactly into ADA, because yes, Bitcoin is the leading indicator. And guys, what you can currently see here is that Bitcoin is about to break the symmetrical triangle, and you have to know here, I will be trying to go live if we're really going to see a breakup, but still 3 more hours before closing this 4-hourly candle. And guys, we are on the verge of breaking out right now. So yes, very exciting with Bitcoin what we're currently sitting, but in the end of the day, I am here to talk about ADA because, guys, in this video I will be talking to you why I do think that we're probably going to see the ADA trading around the $2 rather sooner than later. Because, guys, I've been looking to the charts at a different way here. I approach the charts a little bit different, and I've seen something very interesting. And of course, I've been looking at the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart, Cardano compared to Ethereum chart for quite a long time here on the channel. If I'm talking about the streams, and if you haven't already, guys, make sure to check out the streams here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to join the channel as well here, because yes, guys, we are doing this every single day here. And like I told you before, guys, the coming week will be very exciting for Bitcoin in general, but also for the channel, because there will be a lot of content coming towards you already. And of course, tomorrow, I can promise you guys, I already told it to some people, we'll be doing another 3 or 2 hour stream here, at least a long stream here. Can't wait to do it. And of course, tomorrow I have finally more time. So without further ado, let's go into the reasons why I do think that ADA will be absolutely blasting off here. So, first of all, guys, I've been redrawing the chart here of Cardano compared to Ethereum. I was first looking at the chart a little bit different, but of course, if you look at the chart like this here, you can see we have one touch point over there, second touch point over there, third touch point over there, and right now fourth touch point at the lower side. And since seeing the touch point, guys, we were of course getting very good supportive bounce, downward slope and resistance line. Nothing done and nothing wrong with that one. Of course, yesterday we closed the daily candle above this resistance line, right now finding support on it. So what is this basically telling us? This is telling us that we're getting a major good buying opportunity currently, and that is also the reason why I should be saying to you guys, I should not be really hesitating to stay on the sidelines. And I really think that you can be getting a very good buying opportunity right now at the current moment that I'm uploading the video, because yes, we're exactly trading on support. And of course, it's not only on support on this chart, because also the other charts are looking very good. But first, let me give you the potential price target if you look for the ADA compared to Ethereum valuation increase. So this will be of course pushing the price higher, and I've been talking about it a lot on the streams, but of course not everyone is watching the streams, guys. I know it, not everyone is watching the streams, but definitely you want to be this is also the reason why I'm currently making this update video. So what I will be saying here, of course, you can see the 95% increase for the price action for Cardano compared to Ethereum is imminent in my opinion, and of course this will be an increase to the 0.001% of an Ethereum, and of course that will be very beneficial, and that can be pushing up the price, because if you look where Ethereum is currently trading on, 35 cents here, and they can be pushing up the Cardano price towards the $3.35 approximately. So that's of course an insane target. Do I think we're going to reach it? Yes. But like I told you before, don't expect that we are going to reach the $3 here in just a matter of a few days, guys. It can be approximately taking a few weeks or few months here. But definitely, I think we're going to climb higher on the ADA compared to Ethereum chart, and that is already a very exciting thing here. Like the consolidation was going around here on the daily candles for quite a long period here. It was going around for quite a long period, and right now, of course, once we're seeing a breakout, we're not exactly going to moon in just a matter of a few days here. It will be also taking quite a while here. So also ADA compared to Bitcoin, guys. I mean, this chart is also, these charts are coming together, and that is of course the reason why I'm making this video, because also we took out the previous high here on the daily candles. We are of course very bullish. We already met our price target of the ascending triangle. I will be removing this one, but you can see of course we closed it above, and of course we are right now having a doji candle. Basically that's giving us a signal that we are very indecisive, but it really depends on where we are going to close the daily candles in 7 hours. But currently we are of course finding support at the previous all-time high of the previous highest daily candle close. So this is of course very exciting, and I definitely think this is also providing you a buying opportunity, and you should not be hesitating. And of course the reason also, guys, is because the ADA compared to Ethereum chart is also coming together. So the ADA compared to Bitcoin chart trading on support, ADA compared to Ethereum chart trading on a breakout, and support looking very healthy. Besides that, guys, if you go, sorry for me being so happy, because guys, I'm making this video very quickly, because yes, I do believe this is absolutely an opportunity that I should be embracing with both hands. And also for the people that are still willing to do so, you can be also leverage trading it. I mean, I don't will be really giving you exact entry, but like I told you before, I don't know if you're familiar with the channel, but I use always a certain strategy to add more to my positions once falling and once falling. And guys, I will be, of course, like I told you before, once Bitcoin is going to break out, we're trying to go and take a trade all together, because yes, I'd really want to be doing everything together with you guys. So for ADA, same strategy here. You can already open your position. Please use low leverage. Don't be too greedy, but you can be adding more and more while it's falling, because then you're averaging in on the very nice price, right? So that is a very good strategy. If you want to be signing up with the referral link in the description, would be of course very amazing, because if you're doing it with Bybit, you're getting a $1,080 bonus, and with Famix another $680 bonus. And in general, it would be very amazing if you're doing so. But yes, guys, let me also go into the ADA compared to USD Tether chart. So first of all, very healthy trend that we're currently in, because you can see higher highs getting formed here, higher lows as well getting formed, and it is very exciting what we are currently seeing here. And definitely, guys, because we were forming a beautiful ascending triangle. And guys, if you look at the price target of the ascending triangle force, we already were seeing the breakout. If you look to the price target, you can see the potential price target for the ADA chart will be, of course, heading towards the $2.03. And like I told you before, if we're going to see the potential price target for the ADA compared to Ethereum chart, that will be already pushing the price up towards the $3. But yeah, I definitely think we can be seeing these prices anytime soon here, and that's the reason why I also feel so excited about it. And I mean, yeah, ADA compared to USD Tether currently a very beautiful uptrend here. You can see higher highs getting formed here, and besides that, also you had this upward sloping resistance line over here with 4 touch points approximately, and right now we had this perfect retest over here as well. So yeah, guys, I mean, we are looking very healthy, and I don't think that ADA is going to stop anytime soon here, and that is also, guys, the reason why I'm making this video. And please don't think that we're going to see ADA compared to Ethereum, and of course that will be playing out in the US dollar chart as well, that we're going to see it blasting off in just a matter of a few days, a few hours, I mean, but because yes, I do think that ADA in the coming days, coming weeks will be performing very good. And I'll be already giving you our prediction for the coming week here. I think next week we're easily going to smash through the $2, and I would not be surprised, because I do expect Bitcoin going to break out this weekend towards not towards new all-time highs, but I do expect Bitcoin to break out to the upside this weekend. This is already very exciting, but of course ADA will be definitely following over there. So maybe ADA can be already seeing the $2 getting reached this weekend. So I think the coming days, the coming hours are very important and very exciting, and I at least should not be hesitating. Of course, I'm already hugely exposed to ADA. But guys, I really wanted to make this update video, because earlier in the stream I saw all these people were talking about, Rover, please, can you give me an update? Can you give me an update about the price action of ADA? And I already discussed it, but that's the reason why right now we'll be making this video. And guys, besides that, hopefully you're having an amazing day here. I will be enjoying my time over here. I will be taking an early sleep here, because tomorrow will be once again a very busy day. And of course, I'm looking forward to it already. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're going to have an amazing day as well here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, by the way, guys, at CryptoRoverYT here. I just did a new post here. Make sure to follow and like here. It would be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.